In this video, we will show you how to change the standard satin lines into a rather unconventional and unpredictable look using random stitches. Random is a new property that is available for every satin or satin serial object. Using this option, you can create a random stitches effect. First, you need to define a percentage of random stitches. This percentage value defines the difference between the random stitches and the original outline. It may take values from 0 to 90%. When defining a percentage value, there is an extra option, random size. Using this one, you can select the sides at which the random stitches will appear, and the available choices are: side A, the random stitches will apply towards one side of the object. Side B, the random stitches will apply towards the other side of the object. Symmetric, the random stitch applies to both sides of the object. In this case, the stitch length is always the same, but the stitch shifts randomly across both sides. The fourth option is both. In this case, the random stitches are applied to both sides. The stitch length and the direction of the movement is random. Random placement adds movement and energy to the design, creating a unique piece every time. Random satin stitches can elevate any embroidery project and lend it a truly one-of-a-kind feel.